Good morning, good morning, good morning everybody. Maganda pa kayo sa umaga, gwapo pa kayo sa umaga. Kamusta kayo ngayong maulang umaga na to? And I'd like to say, kahit makulimlim, let's carry our own weather, ika nga, and stay happy and cheerful. And it's a good day. It's a beautiful day. So, smile naman dyan. Yung mga samba ko lang mukha, umaga pa lang. And hello din sa mga galing sa night shift at nagpapaantok. I'm Edna. I'm your friend here. And this morning, kikwentuhan ko lang kayo ng property pick of the day ko. Actually, picks of the day. Kwento ko sa inyo yung lote sa Metropolis Greens. It's 203 square meters. Residential lot siya and it's along the main road. And ang maganda dito sa lote na to ay una, malapit siya sa lahat. It's very accessible. Kasi paglabas mo ng Metropolis, nandun na yung Walter Mart Manggahan, nandun na yung Genstar, nandun na yung McDonald's, and then may mga other establishments doon. Yung favorite natin na Jollibee nandun din, and Burger King, and then gas stations, and of course yung ating mahal na Lyceum of the Philippines University Cavite campus. So it's there. And nalalakad naman from the lot papunta sa labasan, kasi nga nasa main road lang siya. And mura talaga to, guys. If you're going to hello, good morning. If you're going to check it out, again, it's 203 square meters and a little less than 3M. Mura na po yun, guys, kasi ang mga lote ngayon usually sa area na yan ay nagre-range na from 13,000 to 18,000 per square meters. Samantalang ito for 203 square meters, a little less than 3M. So, instead of keeping your money in the bank, why not try land banking? Land banking means nag-invest ka sa lote na nag-appreciate ang value. And if in the future, gusto mo siyang ibenta, nag-appreciate na siya. So, that's what's beautiful about putting your investment sa real estate. And also, kapag nagkataon naman na gusto mo nang tayuan ng bahay, una para tirahan, that's good, or gusto mo regaluhan ng parents mo ng house and lot dahil ang dami nilang hirap sa'yo. So you could build a house on that lot sa Metropolis Greens. 203 square meters, malaki na po yan, no? So ang average na magandang lot area for a family of 4 is nasa 100 square meters. So, yung lote na yan is 203. So, makakapag-park ka pa ng mga 2 o 3 sasakyan dyan. And also, yung iba naman, gusto nilang ipa-Airbnb. So, kapag nagpatayo ka ng property dyan and you are based abroad, you can just delegate a property manager na titingin ng property mo and then pwede mo na siyang i-convert sa Airbnb. So, marami pong gumagawa niyan ngayon. And dahil nga rin malapit sa Lyceum itong Metropolis Greens sa Manggahan, pwede mo rin siyang gawing boarding house ng mga estudyante. So, maraming possibilities kapag merong kang lote. And all you need is to buy the lot. Murang-mura po siya. And affordable siya ngayon kasi it's a buyer's market now. And what buyer's market means is marami yung available na inventory, maraming lote ang available in the market, and konti ang bumibili. So, kaya nagkaroon ng price reduction itong lote na to sa Metropolis, and you can take this opportunity to pay it or to buy it and make it yours. So, isa sa magandang pamana din to na may titulo ka Kasi nga hindi nag-depreciate in value ito, and you can always sell it at a future time kaysa naka-time deposit yung pera mo, which medyo maliit yung interest. So if you're interested in buying this lot in Metropolis Greens, do contact me. Just drop a message here, or you can call me via Viber or WhatsApp. My number is 0927-043-0115. So ayun po yung ating lote sa Metropolis Greens.